Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome at Career Channel. Yes viewers, today we will discuss about the warehouse order pickers job. First of all, we will discuss about job description. What is job description? The jobs of warehouse order pickers to pull select items for storage and ready them for shipments. As a warehouse order picker, duties including reading the digital or printed order and placing them in the right box or lead container for the order packers. It is very necessary to clarify your confusion regarding these posts. Only Canadian and Pakistan can apply on these jobs. Alright the viewers, we will move the further details, especially this company manufacturing and production starting free visa for jobs, and these jobs to belong to Surrey and Canada 2021. Yes viewers, the latest Canada jobs in multinational company looking for well experienced hard working person from Pakistan and from Canada. Means Pakistan and Canadians both can apply on these jobs. I think so it's great opportunity for all visitors. Canadian jobs for fresher and well experienced person, free accommodation and free food. Interested candidates can contact immediately. Free visa ownership jobs in Canada for Pakistanis and for Canadians. Today that multinational company announced that jobs in Canada, and also you can get the jobs in Canada. For more details you can visit our website address www.getinfopk.com. All details are mentioned there. Now I will talk about the interview. Interview will be held at Trade Test and Training Center, Rawalpindi. Now it's very necessary to mention job location and category and require ID and job type. First of all, I will mention job location Surrey in Canada. Now category is manufacturing and production. Require ID 245074BR and job type it's part-time job. Now it is very necessary to mention qualification and requirements. Great teamwork and excellent communication, previous operation experience or similar preferred but not compulsory. Outstanding organizational skills as demonstrated by your ability to handle multiple priorities, multiple tasks, problem solve and meet deadlines or achieve the organizational tasks. Send your fresh CV along with application form. All required documents to mention on screen address. Day of interview you along with original passport and national ID card and other certificates. Warehouse order picker jobs. Day of interview you along with original passport and national ID card and other certificates. Requirements of necessary documents: professional CV, original passport, copy of first page of passport, original degree, diploma certificate, original CNIC copy, 10 passport size photo with white background and 10 passport size photo for blue background. It's last one, original experience certificate if you done any job. Yes viewers, if you have any query, any question regarding this video, you can post it, you can comment it. Take care viewers, see you soon, goodbye.